Hello friends, all my new video welcome. Yes, today by phone, how to make your videos for free. How can you montage your videos? You can show it friends. Let's go to our video now friends. Here CapCut video editor. We came to an application called like this. You will say open. From here new project. From here you will say here any. You can choose your video. I do it. I choose. In this video I tell you this is how I will introduce the application. You can montage videos with the app. I will show it. Yes, here for example there is a place to edit here friends. How in CapCut app you can cut your videos. I'll show for example I'm here. Let's say this place is bad. We will divide it like this. From here as you can see we will click in the middle and delete. From here we will say that section has been deleted. You see like let's say the beginning of our videos is bad. How are we going to do this friends? See your head like this. As you can see we cut. Yes friends, what else is here? There is animation. As you can see here you can add effects. There is input effect, output effect and combo for example. Here I am at the beginning of my video. Whatever I want this to happen like this I put it. As you can see, yes, say it. As you can see this was the volume level friends. Here is the sound of your video. You can raise the level or you can reduce. I want to increase my volume like this. I can raise the sound. You can mute your video friends. As you can see your video sounded here and when you delete the audio, your video will be there is a voice that will be quiet. There are voices, friends. CapCut have their own voices. I don't know if they are royalty free here friends. Here is the audio from your video. You can extract it from the video. Here say, shut up, and make a video. Choose friends. Here comes the sound of your video, and that sound you can also use the sounds you downloaded here in this video. There are sound effects here too friends. Sound effects here too. It has nice sound effects. For example, fight I say friends, and let me turn up the volume. This is sound effects are not copyrighted. For example, I think this is beautiful. We also have sound effects like this from here friends. You can register. There is a text. As you can see from the text there are a lot of fonts, a lot of different. There are fonts. There are a lot of fonts. You can use these. For example this 3D. There are effects too friends. There are also 3D effects. As fast as you can see subscribe I wrote, and as you can see friends you can see the subscribe text here. There are stickers here. The app itself you can see the stickers. These or it is also royalty free. This is here too my friends. You can get something from your device. There is an overlay friends. Here too you can add videos to your videos. There are a lot of effects friends. Here is a flock. You look at them anyway. I won't say much now, but there are filters if you want friends. Or here you can also check the filters, color filters in filters, cupcake filters. At the end of your video the watermark will appear. Cupcakes ad will pop up guys. Click on it to delete it. You can say so delete it directly. How can you say that? There might be friends who asked if you would. I just wanted to enlighten you. You have entered the age of enlightenment, isn't it? Yes, friends, end it from here. Let me show you how to cut. By the way, I didn't like the ending here. You can also set the resolution of your video. You can upgrade or you can reduce it. Here you can also export with the upload button on the top right. As you can see it says exporting this video. We also upload our video. We end. I hope this video to you it was helpful. See you for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.